As demonstrated in the previous slides, this eyewear, in order to be the Swiss Army knife, integrates two distinct systems. The first system is a screwless hinge which always functions very smoothly and is intuitive for assembly, disassembly, for fast swaps of temples, for fashion or function. The second system is the multifaceted magnetic hinge system, which is partially present on the right, the left temple, and can be optional for the front. Also, this eyewear can be any material, any color, any style, and the hexagon bar of the multifaceted magnetic hinge can be totally rendered seamless, as you can see here. This frame looks like any other frame on the market, but by virtue of having the two systems, it becomes the best portal for integrating or attaching wearables. By using this kind of a case, which is part of this multifaceted magnetic hinge system, one can attach any item to the eyewear. It is extremely stable and it is very, very, very sturdy. Gives you also the potential of adjusting the angle for whatever the reason is. It can be done on the right side and on the left side.